This is Two Ladies Midwest Adventures.
I'm Jenny.
I'm Julietta, and we're doing taste testing again. We got some chips this time that I have not tried. I have tried at least 2 of them, but here it is. I love the green ones.
Yeah, they're delicious.
I don't remember the flavor on it.
It's salty.
It's supposed to be a sea salt and cracked pepper. Personally, I was thinking I could just buy plain ones and then salt and pepper them at
You
home.
get bigger one. I get smaller ones since I'm younger.
There's 50 different big ones in here.
I know.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
It's not bad. Kind of tastes like the one I had prior, my green one. I think the green one I had was supposed to be like a onion or something.
Yeah, with the sour cream.
No, it was a garlic one, I think.
Okay.
Garlic salt.
Yeah.
But
This one's a gray one.
this one kind of tastes the same almost. Jenny, I'm not talking bad colors. This one is a sea salt cracked pepper.
Gray bag.
We already told them that. Stop repeating. What you doing? But how would you rate this? Scale 1 to 10. Because I think it's acceptable.
5.1.
I'd probably leave it at 5 too. 5, maybe 6.
I say 5 or 5.1.
I'm just calling it. I'll just give it a 6. Could be better, but it's fine.
Yeah. I'd go for the green ones. Hi.
Hey.
Just teasing. I mean, stay blessed. Make the world a better place one person and one moment at a time. Like and subscribe.
You're freaking me out.
Do a little clip at the end, Dad.